Three related questions cause common confusion out there about receiving long-term disability benefits. One is, if I'm receiving long-term disability benefits, can my employer terminate me while I'm receiving them? A related question is, while I'm receiving long-term disability benefits, if my employer terminates me, does that mean my benefits stop? And finally, if I've applied for long-term disability benefits, but I'm not yet receiving them, and my employer terminates me because I can't perform the duties of the job, will that end my claim for those benefits? Hi, I'm Price McNamara, and I deal with these questions all the time. I used to handle these claims as a defense attorney for insurance companies before switching sides to represent people who are dealing with these questions and dealing with claims denials. It's all we do. We've noticed lately that there's three closely connected questions that we address constantly and is apparently a very big source of confusion for people receiving long-term disability benefits or in the midst of making a long-term disability benefits claim. First of all, people ask, if I am making a long-term disability benefits claim but have not been approved yet, if my employer terminates me, do I still have the right to bring that claim? And the answer is yes, you do. The employer can terminate you, but as long as you became disabled before that termination, you maintain all the rights that exist under that policy because you've become vested with those rights by the fact of becoming disabled while you were still insured under that policy. Next question we get that is connected is, if I have applied for and I'm receiving long-term disability benefits and my employer terminates me, do I lose my rights to continue those benefits? The answer is you do not lose your right to continue those benefits. The fact of your termination from employment has no effect on your right to continued benefits as long as you remain disabled under that policy all the way through the term of the policy, which is typically age 65 or 67. Now, sort of the reverse question is, if I am receiving long-term disability benefits or have applied for long-term disability benefits, can my employer terminate me at all? And the answer to that is yes, your employer can terminate you if you are receiving those benefits, because the employer can really terminate you for any non-discriminatory reason that they want in an employment at will state. So the fact that you are disabled from performing the duties of your job gives the employer the right to fill that job with somebody else who can perform those duties, and they don't have to hold that job open for you in the event that you move past your disability and have the capacity to come back. They're entitled to move on, and if you do end up getting the capacity to perform those duties, you can certainly reapply. They might take you back. They can if they want. They don't have to. That's the answer to that. We have a resource that we've written, a book called How to Win Your Disability Claim or Appeal, and it's full of information that answers frequently asked questions like these and also guides you through the process we use when we fight a denied disability insurance claim. We know that the fact that you're dealing with this is very stressful, and we find that it's very helpful when people become educated on how these claims might unfold, even if you're not dealing with a denial yet. So please download the book. It's free. Have a look. We hope it helps. If we can ever help you answer any question, feel free to call us. We're always happy to talk about these claims and to review your situation with you. And we hope that this has been helpful, and we hope our resources are helpful. We hope you have a wonderful day.